What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a micro switch and backing plate on a Whirlpool fridge. The only thing you're going to need for this job is a pry tool and the switch itself, and also in my case I need the back bracket because the fingers that hold the switch on broke off. And I'll leave a link in the description below for both of these products. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is remove the ice cube and water catch tray by pulling it out. Then you're going to take the pry tool, get up underneath the plastic fascia here, and start popping that off slowly all around the edge. Next, disconnect this connector here by pulling up on the tab and then firmly pulling apart. Next, pull out the micro switch for the ice. In my case, this switch is still good. It's the water side that's a problem for me. Let's pull the switch from left to right and it should pop right off the fingers. Then there's a spacer that needs to be removed right here. Remove that as well. My bracket on the right hand side was already broken, so I had to remove the spacer and the switch itself already. So next thing you're going to do is disconnect the light bulb and then press on the two tabs on the top and the bottom of the light bulb and remove it. Next, pop out the whole bracket assembly by simply pulling down and rotating it out of place. You can see here on the right hand side where my tabs have been broken off. Next, grab your parts. Here's the bracket assembly, and I also have the micro switch. I'll leave a link for these in the description below. Before you replace the switch, just double check that it's the correct switch and that all the holes and everything should line up. Just firmly pop out the old switch and firmly press in the new one. Then install the new bracket. It should just slide up underneath all the wires and then pop into place. Then just double check that all the tabs, there's 3 on top and then 2 on the sides, that are all lined up correctly. Next, reinstall a light bulb and socket, and the small spade connector should be on the top. Then reconnect the wires. Next, install the spacer by installing it onto these 2 posts here. And after that's fully installed, install the switch on that side. You can use some of this existing tape to tape up this wire bundle if you wish. Next, install the small spacer on the left-hand side, and then reinstall the switch and make sure it clicks into place. Next, reinstall this connector here. Then reinstall the front fascia by hooking it on the top side first, then clipping it onto the bottom. Then you're ready to plug in the refrigerator again and test it out. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other maintenance videos if you're interested. And also remember, I leave a link for all the products used in this video in the description below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.